Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do if Google Chrome is running slow. So if your Chrome is running slow, there are several strategies that you can try to diagnose and fix the issue. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to speed up your Chrome. So first, old cache files and cookies can cause Chrome to slow down over time. So the first thing that you need to do is just clear the cache and browsing data. So here you can just tap on this three dots icon, go to the settings, click on this privacy and security, and you can go to the privacy and security section and tap on this delete browsing data. So what you need to do is just check this browsing history, cookies, cache, image, and files, and tap on delete data to free up some space on your Chrome and make it smoother. Second one, you can also disable or remove unnecessary extension because extension can consume significant resources and slow down your Chrome. So you can just go to the three dots icon and find extension. Tap on the manage extension, and if you see unnecessary or the extension that you no longer use, you can just tap on remove. Next, don't forget to update your Chrome because an outdated version of Chrome can lead to slow performance due to bugs or security issues. You can also disable hardware accelerations. Although hardware acceleration can improve performance, it may also cause issues on certain systems. So if you want to disable it, you can just open the settings on Chrome and find system. Then just toggle off this one. Use graphics acceleration when available, like this. And you can just restart your Chrome, close this first and reopen it again. Next, don't forget to close unnecessary tabs. So if you have many tabs here open on your Chrome, you can just close one of them, the one that you no longer use. You can also use Task Manager to identify problematic processes. So you can just click on Save and then ask to go to the Task Manager and identify tabs or extensions that are using too much CPU or memory. You can just end task on the one that consuming too much resources. Just tap on end processes here. Okay. After that, you can also reset the Chrome setting because with resetting, Chrome can remove unwanted changes that might be affecting performance. And don't forget to check for malware or unwanted software because it can also cause Chrome to slow down. And you can also try to disable unnecessary site permissions because excessive permissions for websites can slow down browsing. You can also use a new Chrome profile because if your user profile is corrupted, creating a new one will help you. And don't forget to also upgrade your hardware because your computer hardware might be the limiting factor for the Chrome to slow down. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.